Sing, sing, sing. Bring that ass.
Oh, that nigga run around. Don't move, bro. Don't move. Don't, whatever you do. It's okay, you straight. Just don't move. They
1200, bro.
all
I'm
over
out
here.
some Burberry,
Fuck.
nigga. Some goddamn good meat.
That's what I'm saying. Hey, nigga, hilarious, dog. Look at it. Come on there, bitch. You gotta catch me, motherfucker. I'm all about my peas, nigga. This nigga on my dick.
What's good?
Ah! Oh, fuck. Why the fuck you bring him over here? Man, get away from me, teammate!
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
We. Ah! Bro, I'm dead, bro. Teammate that got me killed, bro.
Get your ass back here, boy.
Nigga run. Weave. Oh, fuck!
Tiger.
Ah! This nigga tracking me, bro.
Fuck, am I going? Y'all.
Bitch ass nigga. Bro, you watching? You watching, bro? Bro, get the fuck up. No way. I'm dead, bro. I ain't going through that motherfucker, boy. I should have kept going with her, but I think he on her for real. Don't move.
I don't care.
No fucking way.
Oh, nigga.
Weave. Bitch ass nigga. What the? Weave. Got his stupid ass. That's crazy, bro. I juked the heck. Well, why is he screaming like that? Bro, he can see me, bro.
You want
What's up, bro?
Come dance, Nevic Hospitality. I'll come out of my house and I'll
You ain't doing that, dog.
You know, prick.
Stupid ass hoe. Ah! Oh my god. Okay, that's her. Oh my gosh, you scared the fuck out of me right now.